All right, welcome back to The Average Kitchen. Mark here from Canada with another gadget review. This is the GEEDEL Rotary Cheese Grater 3-in-1 slicing, julienning, grinding vegetables with ease. I'm not sure why you would grind a vegetable, but comes with 3 blades. One of them's already installed here is the slicing blade, a fine shredding blade, and a shredding blade. And we're gonna test all of them. Not sure how we feel about this. $45 on Amazon. My favorite feature so far is being able to lock this in place and it's literally like cemented to the countertop. I like that a lot. The chute, very small, so I do have small potatoes here. This is a bit of a bigger potato, it will just fit. So we'll see, a little bit of a plunger here. So we're gonna start out, the book is basically nothing. It really doesn't talk about much, but on the side of the box, it shows some more instructions and it says the slicing blade is good for potatoes. So we're gonna give that a try. So I'm gonna put a bowl here, throw a potato in, and I got our plunger. Now we'll start. Okay, not bad.
Much more effortless than I expected.
So a bunch stuck inside. You cannot adjust the blades here at all. There's no adjustment. I'm gonna grab a fork before I cut myself.
Homemade potato chips.
Yeah. All right, so that one, there we go. All right, so a little bit of stuff stuck on the outside, a piece of potato. No harm, no foul. All right, so that's what we were gonna test on that blade. I think, like I said, I think it worked quite well. So to take the blade out, basically we pull down a little lever to let go of the handle. There's your blade. Now we're gonna put in the fine shredding blade, this one here. Okay, and I'm gonna put in some almonds because it says it will do nuts. We'll see. Plunger. Well, if you ever wanted extremely powdered almonds, this worked really, really well. The suction cup really came in handy there because I had to really push hard to get it going at the beginning. All right, so let's lock that back into place. Now with the other fine, I'm looking at my box referral here. We're gonna go to now the shredding blade and we're gonna do carrots. We just had a battery, camera battery die. Line that up. Boom, in place. Put those aside. So a carrot. I mean, it did pretty good. Yeah. Right? Like if you're doing, again, baking, as Jamie mentioned, like a carrot salad, something like that. I think that would work very, very well. So we release our handle, give that a little push, clean out the balance. Now we're gonna try cheese. Now, we've done a lot of reviews over the years. We just started year 7, which is crazy for Jamie and I. The thing that Jamie always enjoys, as I'm normally getting the next video set up, is cleaning cheese off blades. He loves it. So we're gonna see how this goes. I actually forgot I was gonna try shredding potatoes. I guess if you're making potato cakes or hash browns or something, that would be handy. So let's see how it does with that blade. I just gave it a quick rinse from the carrots. I think like if you're making a potato patty or a hash brown, I think that would be really nice, right?
Yeah, you can fry those up into hash browns like that.
Yeah, pretty uniform, thin. And again, if you had a need for that, for some specific recipe or whatever, I think it would be very good. I personally don't know what I would use it for, but that's just me. A little bit of potato skin left over here. All right, so I'm gonna just give this a quick rinse off and then we're gonna try the cheese. All right, got a chunk of cheese. Let's see how it goes. Now Jamie said, a little something I learned about Jamie, hates shredding cheese. Hates it. Jamie, would this product be your new cheese grater?
It could, very well could.
Pretty uniform, a little on the thicker side, but like mozzarella for a pizza or something like that would be absolutely perfect. We're wrapping up here. I just wanted to show, I don't know if you'll see it in the video, but this here comes up and down. It's like a plunger. That was my favorite part of this. It was really helpful. This piece here, you just give it a squeeze, comes apart. According to the box, dishwasher safe, which makes Jamie very, very happy. Would we buy it? For me, I would say no. Not for the price, not for 45 bucks. We just shot a video for this mandolin slicer shredder that we will be releasing as well. It was roughly the same price, far superior product to this. So yeah, we wouldn't buy it. If you've bought it, let us know how you like it. And if you're thinking about it, shoot us a message and we'll get back to you. That's our video. See you on the next one.